Up to 2200 Mbps wireless speed for demanding users like 4K Ultra HD, streaming and multiplayer gaming. Simplify and stay connected with one network name plus auto-switching to your best network. Unboxing today, the NETGEAR Tri-Band Wireless Mesh Wi-Fi Internet Booster. Intelligently select between 3 bands to minimize interference and maximize speed for houseful of smart wireless device. Connect to your existing router with one button press and you're done. A dedicated Wi-Fi band communicates with your router, maximizing speed to your device. Control Wi-Fi access and set schedules by device easily with NETGEAR Wi-Fi app. Adds the Wi-Fi range coverage up to 2000 feet and connects up to 40 devices such as laptops, smartphones, speakers, IP cameras, tablets, LOT devices, and many more. Uses your existing network SSID name so you never get disconnected as you move around your home or office. Simply plug in game consoles, streaming players, or other wired devices into 2 gigabit ports of maximum speed. Unavoidably, slow speeds traditional extenders will automatically cut your available Wi-Fi speeds in half. The traditional extenders will display multiple networks. This makes adding and connecting more devices to your network a game of trial and error as you search for the most optimal network. Different networks may cause confusions. Multiple SSIDs mean different networks. This may cause confusion when forced to connect to different networks and when adding more smart home devices. The Nighthawk Wi-Fi Mesh extenders combine the visible Wi-Fi networks into one. Simply add more devices to this network and the extender will intelligently find the optimal hidden network to maximize Wi-Fi performance. One SSID simplifies your network for a better networking experience. This makes adding more devices to your network a breeze. Freely roam around your home with uninterrupted streaming and downloading. For more details, check out the links in the description and never miss any updates by hitting the subscribe button and stay connected with me, Cyrus Syndicate UK.